nearly 2 weeks, it was time now to leave the coast and to enter the inland. The route took us over the Col de Cerdous, a gorgeous pass, through little villages and beautiful landscapes up to Tafraoute, a busy little mountain village. This was our starting point for our tour to the south through a narrow gorge, which has been described as stunning. And indeed, the gulch is breathtaking, until the point where the road, which anyway was already quite holy, completely disappeared. Though a true off-roader cannot be stopped, but rather chooses the way through the empty river bed. And the first reaction of our vehicle was to get stuck in the bank. Two locals suddenly appeared from nowhere and offered help. Peter got the shovel out and the digging work started. While we were working and chatting, the locals told us that we wouldn't be able to drive further in the wet, the riverbed, and had to turn around. Thank God the two helped us so much. Putting away the big rocks would have been so much work for us, for hours. After we moved away the most disturbing rocks, Peter tried to turn the truck. He managed to get up the bank in the first go. Super. And a big thank you to the extra hands. Unfortunately, it meant also that we had to drive back on this really narrow road, which led to a bit stomachache on my side. On top of the plateau, we took the turn into another gorge, which has been recommended by the locals. Also very beautiful and very twisty. The following ride to Igmir through the colored rocks on an earth track built by the French was quite something. Igmir, the little oasis at the bottom, is really cute. Our next turning maneuver was less dramatic. According to the travel book, the Neukopp Valley is a lovely west-east connection. As we anyway wanted to go east, we've certainly decided to cross this valley. But same story here. The road became more and more narrow. As we are adaptive, We turned around earlier this time and could therefore easily find our way back. Of course, we did entertain the locals again. After getting all the shots in the can, we were ready to roll eastwards on the big roads.